middle of nowhere, all the way at the end of Highway 40. Oh, nice.
Take the next right, then you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
Let's see if I could launch my kayak from here. I think I can. Yeah, I think so. Woo! I think it's my lucky day today. Oh, yes! Beautiful! I've never been here before. It's my first time. And I'm gonna kayak. Looks like it's low tide right now. Hope it's not too shallow. Well, we're exploring. I've never been here. There's not much in terms of beach. But I'm not here for the beach, I am here for kayaking. So, we're gonna do this. Let's go unload our kayak and get going. Explore this area. Well, I'm ready. I am ready to head on out. Got all my equipment here. Got my lunch, GoPro, fishing rod. Heading out to explore the little islands of Bird Creek Beach in Yankeetown. I will catch you guys later. Wish me luck. Beautiful. What a beautiful day. So peaceful. I'm here on the sandbar, the Gulf of Mexico. I've been watching two fins. I'm not sure if they are sharks or dolphins because they're too far. They're together and they're fishing. So I want to assume that they are dolphins. Take a rest. Yeah, perfect. Made a little stop here. Found this little area. Wow. Look at this. Oh, wow. Beautiful shell. Well, let's have some lunch, because I am starving. Back to where I started. How you doing? Good, good. What you catching there? Crabs. Oh, all right.